Okay, Baby Blender Baby 2 with the recommended setup. This is all low rates. Here's high. Back down low. Got some winds today, but I got to get her in the air. This is low. High. And this is the 4-cell setup, so I think she's going to be pretty spunky. Let's see how she does. Left, left. Okay. Gotta get her down on the ground a little bit. That is so much power. This wind isn't helping at all. Oh yeah, completely different animal. Look at that. That's half throttle. Oh, this thing's great. How much fun. Still right about half throttle. Kick her into high rates. Oh yeah. Very nice. Ah, I love it. How awesome. And when the winds are blowing, it was a good 10 mile an hour plus. This is all high rates. Yeah, the winds are a lot for her. Thing is going to boogie woogie when there's no wind. Really boogie woogie. You can see the turbulence too, smacking her around. How much fun. Whoa, that wind, woo! How about that? Dang, I like it. Damn. Ow, whoa, I think I'm overamping her. Motor's hot, hot, hot. Burned me to the touch. Probably a good thing I brought her in and landed her when I did. Next trip is going to be up with a 3-cell instead of the 4-cell. So, Baby Blender Baby 2. Nice.